Namaskar, my dear friends. Uh, this video which I am going to today record is for a greater purpose. This is which I will show in this video vestibular exercises. Those who are suffering from vertigo. I personally the basic exercise for vertigo as a classified as a vestibular exercise which I prescribe or prefer, that I will show you the first step. Okay, that is the after the patient is clinically stable, I prefer these exercises for a certain period of time, and then depending on patient's clinical condition, I switch over to something else more. So I will today show you these basic exercises because a lot of my patients, my friends want to know how to perform, how to do. So I will through this video you can easily see, and by observing this video you can perform at your home easily. So let us start this how to do. The first one, the eye exercises. You will look and head exercises. This is to do in the morning and in the evening. This is patient should be in the supine position. You can see here I am in supine position. Look straight towards the ceiling, towards the your fan or your ceiling. Okay, and now your eyes will move, your head will remain fixed, your eyes will move. This is to left, now to the center, now to the right, again to the center, up, center, down, center. And at each stage you have to be at least wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Don't do haphazardly or too early, otherwise it will trigger vertigo. So at a particular position you stay for 5 to 10 seconds, then you change it. So this is a complete cycle. This will be counted as a one whole cycle. Okay, I think you can understand. You follow this movement of eyes towards left. Again I am repeating, towards left, in the center, to the right, in the center, up, in the center, down, in the center. Now this will do it for 15 times, and after you perform it, you now do the head exercises. Just now the move your head in a similar way to the left as much as you can easily. Don't put much of stress, don't take stress, as much you can go. Keep it for 10 seconds. Now commit to the center. Again go to the right as much as you can. Keep for certain 10 seconds. Again you come to the center. Now this up as much you can do. Again to the center, and chin touching, trying to touch your chest down as much as you can. Don't take a stress. So do it. This will complete one cycle. So this do it for 15 times once again. Now after doing this in supine position, you just relax, sit, and in a relaxing mode you repeat these eye exercises and these head exercises once again in the sitting position like this. This is look straight, eyes again to the left, center, right to the center, up, to the center, down to the center. This will complete one cycle, so do it for 15 times. Again, your head. Now this again completes one cycle, so do it for 15 times. So in supine position, in sitting position, do it in morning, do it at night once more, so twice. And in the afternoon you just have a ball. You can have a ball which you will do, and you sit on this your bed, because most of the patients are elderly. You don't have to be on ground, you don't have to hurry, just relax, sit on your bed and take a small ball, and I will show you this. This is the ball. This is a small ball. Everybody, because my elderly patient, you have grandson, your granddaughter, nati natni, tar ekta ball aap le lijiye, then keep it in your hand and you just do it like this and follow the ball. From one hand you throw the ball towards your ceiling and catch it from other hand. You catch it from other hand. It may fall, you just pick it one, because if you are on the bed, this is expected that it will fall on the bed. So in the afternoon you do this, you just throw the ball, catch it from other hand. Again I will show you this ball like this. You have to follow this, you have to follow the ball, you have to follow the ball, you have to follow the ball. Play with your grandson, okay? They will also enjoy, and your eyes will follow this ball, moving up, coming down from one hand, keeping it, catching it with the other hand, and do it as much as you can, at least for 5 minutes, 20 times, 25 times, as much you are comfortable. You can do it at even for 10 minutes, and after doing this, you keep this ball. So these are the 3 basic exercises which I showed to you. These are the first basic, baby steps when I personally start prefer the vestibular exercises after the patient is stable from an episode of vertigo. So you can practice it by seeing my video. That is why I have recorded it for you only, and I will also post it on my Facebook page of Dr. Rajkumar Chaturvedi, where you can visit and in any time, and you can watch the video. Hopefully, because vertigo is a morbid condition in elderly patients, elderly people, and it compromises their day-to-day daily routine. So I hope this will help you to live a healthy life, so that you can enjoy. That is what we all want, because if you are not in a good health, I think everything is, nothing can be done. So this is a very important aspect. So I hope you can understand, follow. For any query, you can message the WhatsApp number given on my Facebook page and ask any question related to this one. Okay, thank you.